Alright, hello everyone. So today I went to the thrift store, or a couple of thrift stores, with my mom, and I got a couple of cool things. Some of them had some good deals. One of them had half off everything priced before something I think it was January 2020. And one of the things I got was a oil lamp, or faux oil lamp. At the time I wasn't really quite sure, but it was a decent price, so I got it. There's some parts on the ground. And now, originally I thought it was a real oil lamp, and then I was debating about it, and I was like, well, I'm not sure. There's a shader right there. I might video it when it's fully together, but right now it's kind of in shambles. There are all the parts on the table. Well, not the hot dogs, but you know. And so yes, I was right. It is actually it was a real oil lamp, I should say. And you can see, I've never seen anyone done this before. I've only seen this done on metal lamps. Someone has drilled a hole in the glass, and you can see how it's kind of cracked. And this is what kind of made me confused, because when it's a glass oil lamp, originally, and there's a feather for the burner. When it's a glass oil lamp originally, most times people just leave the glass and then they have the cord come out of the backside. And this is weird too, this is a three-way socket. See the three contacts. But someone's made it to where it has a night light in it, and it's just really weird. I don't think this is original. It's been painted some kind of antique goldish color. I think that was because everything else has a patina on it, and I assume that this was bright brass when it was new. I mean, even this is old. And it's got a really small bulb in it. I'm probably going to put a 7-watt in it just to make it a little brighter. I'm not sure. But yeah, this is weird. This is the part that screws onto here and holds it down. You can see someone put a little piece of rubber on here for the cord. And this is just so strange to me that someone would do something like this, because you can see it's cracked a little bit, and most people, first off, it lowers the value, but everyone does this to metal lamps. The Aladdin metal lamps, or just metal lamps in general, they'll do this to oil lamps that are being converted. I have one, and you know, they'll just drill a hole through it, but it's metal. It's not like this is going to happen. And this is just so strange to me that they drilled through the glass, and I don't know, it's just weird. I have another glass lamp that was converted, and it's not drilled through it. It's properly done. It's got the cord coming out the back. I mean, you know, some people might not think it's as pretty, but well, I see it as a little more higher value, because it's still got, you know, still can be converted back to an oil lamp. I probably could do that if I wanted to. I'd put some, I don't know, like JB Weld or whatever on here, whatever's resistant to kerosene. I'm probably not going to, though, but it needs to be cleaned up anyway. It's got smoke tar all over it. But there's a shade, and it's one of the ball style ones, which caught my eye. I bought another one. Let me just gently set this down. Got some other cool stuff, like a microwave for the garage, for when friends come over, I guess. I got another one here. Shade's broken, but it's been glued back together. I might be able to fix something there. By the way, none of these came with chimneys. But just a short video. I thought it's just so strange to me that someone did something like that. Alright, well, as you can see, it's put back together. I've gotten most of that cigarette tar brown crap off. There's a little bit, but it's not nearly as bad. Put in a chimney. Excuse me. I just all around gave it a really good cleaning, took it apart. Washed out the inside as best I could. There's still a bunch of crap on the inside. But here you go. So you got a night light, your normal light, then both. You get a nice glow off it. You can kind of see the light bulb through the bottom, but that's okay. I don't know, I think it looks pretty cool, pretty interesting. especially since it's all complete, which I think is very cool. And like I said, this was at one point a real oil lamp, but it has been converted. I've just never seen a converted oil lamp have a nightlight in the bottom. That's new to me. That's normally the faux oil lamps from like the 60s and 70s. That's when they did that. So yeah, there was also some tar crap on the bottom of the lamp, and that's pretty much all gone. Or not the bottom of the lamp. Well, yes, it was on the bottom of the lamp here, and it was down here, like on the blue paint. But you know, I think it turned out pretty well. All right, well, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.